Good morning, children. Welcome to Nivedita School offline classes, and the subject is social studies. Right, children? Hope you are all fine. Yes, children? Yes. Now we have finished lesson number 1, My Family. Right, children? Yes. And now today we are going to learn a new topic on clothes. Yes, children? And it is the lesson 2. Yes, lesson number 2, clothes we wear. And this is part 1, children. Okay, children, now tell me, what do you know about clothes? Yes, clothes means dresses we wear, right, children? Yes. Let me know how you feel when you wear clothes, children. Yes, you feel very easy and comfortable, right, children? Yes, you feel very easy and comfortable when you wear clothes, right? Yes, we all love to wear new clothes, new dresses of your own choices, right, children? Yes, we wear new clothes on different occasions. On which occasions you wear new clothes, children? Yes, you wear new clothes on festivals, birthday parties, birthdays, get-togethers, and many more celebrations. Right, children? Yes, on that day you will be so much excited, right? Yes, you will be very much happy to wear a new dress, right, children? You all love to wear new dress, right? And this was the introduction part, children. And now let us know about the clothes we wear in detail, right? Look here, children. Which animal is this? Yes, this is a bunny rabbit, right? Yes. What is he saying? Yes, it is telling that today I am feeling cold, right? Yes, he is feeling very much cold, right? What does he need, children? Yes, he need a sweater, right? Yes, he is telling I need a sweater. Yes, today I am feeling cold. I need a sweater, right, children? When you feel cold, you need a sweater. You wear a warm sweater to keep yourself out of cold, right? Yes. All of us need clothes to cover our bodies, right, children? We need clothes to cover our body, right? We cannot be uncovered, right, children? We cannot be bare. Yes, so we need clothes to cover our body, right, children? Yes, look here. We need clothes to cover ourselves. Look here, all are covering their bodies with the clothes, right, children? Yes, we wear clothes to cover ourselves, right, children? Now, clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, wind and dust, right, children? Yes, clothes protect us. Yes, they do protect us, right, children? They protect us from heat, right? When we wear cotton clothes in summer, they keep us cool, right, children? So, we wear cotton clothes in summer, and this is how they protect us from heat, right? Yes, look here. Clothes protect us from heat and cold, right, children? In the cold, chilly atmosphere, we wear sweaters, mufflers, scarves. Yes? Yes, and they all help us to protect ourselves from cold and cool breeze. Right, children? Yes. Clothes protect us from heat, cold and rain. Look here. Yes, children. This is a rainy season, right? Yes. We wear raincoats. Yes. And waterproof jackets, raincoats, and they are also different types of clothes. Right, children? They protect us from rain also. Okay? Yes. And these clothes protect us from heat, cold, rain, yes, wind and dust. Right, children? We wear sweaters, jackets and warm thermals in cold season, right? In a windy season. So, they help us to keep our body warm, right? And even the clothes help us protect ourselves from dust also, right? Okay, did you know, children, early man did not have clothes to wear, right? They did not have clothes to wear. He covered himself with leaves and skins of animals, right? He covered himself with leaves and skins of animals. Right, children? Look here. This is a picture of an early man, right? Yes. He did not had dresses to wear. So, they used green leaves to cover their bodies in the early period. Right, children? Look here. You are seeing a picture opposite to you. Right, children? Yes. He is covering himself with the green leaves. Right? Yes. And later on, after the green leaves, when the man got somewhat civilized, then he used to cover himself with the animal skin. Look here, children. It is the picture of early man who covered themselves with animal skin. Look here. Their dresses are made up of animal skin. Right, children? Yes. This is the evolution of early man. Yes. At the earliest, man used to wear or man used to cover himself with the leaves. Right? And later on, he used to cover himself with the animal skin. And when he got modernized and civilized, man used to wear clothes. Right, children? And this is how the man evolved. Right? Yes. And look here, children. There is an activity for you all. Right? What is there? Yes, let us see. Write yes for the clothes we wear in summer. Right, children? We have to mark yes. We have to write yes for the clothes that we wear in summer and W for the clothes we wear in winter. Right? Yes. Now, there the different clothes have been shown here. Right, children? And below that, there are boxes to be filled with S and W. S for summer clothes, children. Look here. S for summer clothes and W for winter clothes. Right? Yes. Now, let us one by one see which are worn in summer and which are worn in winter. Right, children? Look here now. This is a skirt, right? Yes, which we wear in summer. So we have to write yes here. Right, children? Yes. Now look here. It is a jacket, right? Yes, and this we use in winter. Right, children? So we have to write W here in the box given below. Right, children? Yes, and these are gloves which we wear in winter. So we have to write W here in the box given below. Right, children? Yes, and this is a t-shirt, right? And we have to write yes for the t-shirt, right, which we use in summer. And this is shorts. Yes, children, and this we use in summer. So we have to write yes here in the box given below, right? Okay, this is a sweater, children, right? Sweater which we use in winter. So we have to write W here in the box, right? Yes, here this is a jacket, children. Yes, which we use in winter. So we have to write W here in the box. Yes, children. Now this activity is over. Okay, got it, children? Yes, hope you all have understood, right? Yes, look here, children. In summer we wear clothes that keep us cool. Right, children? Yes, we wear cotton cloths in summer. Right, children? Which keeps ourselves very cool in summer. Right? Look here, these are cloths made up of cotton and they keep us cool in summer. Right? Yes, look here, children. This is a picture of cotton flower, right? It is a cotton flower, children. This is how it looks like. Yes, this is a bud, cotton bud. Yes, children. And later on it becomes a flower, and when it gets ripened, it becomes like this. Yes, children. Yes, this is how it looks like. Yes, children. This is a picture of a cotton flower, and this is how it looks like. Okay. Look here, children, and this cotton is used to make such clothes, right? This is the cotton and which is used to make such cotton clothes, right? Have you all seen cotton, children? Yes, and it is used to make such clothes. Yes, look here. Yes, these are the shirts which are made up of cotton. Look here, children. Yes, and this is cotton and it is used to make such sort of clothes. Yes. We get cotton from the cotton plant. Right, children? These are the cotton plants from which we get cotton. Right, children? Yes, this is how it looks like. Okay. Yes, this is a picture of cotton field. Yes, children. Yes, cotton is also called as white gold. Right, children? Cotton is also called as white gold. And this is cotton field. This is how the cotton looks like. Yes, children? Here you are seeing the white color flowers on the plants, right? These are the ripened cotton which are used to make clothes, children. Yes, cotton is used to make the cotton clothes, right? And now this is the end of part 1, children. Hope you all have understood. Yes, Let us meet in our next classes. Okay. Till then, thank you. Bye for now. Stay home and stay safe, children. Okay.